Hala, hoy. Alangang mag-iyakan pa tayo. Ayaw ko nga, ang corny.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year. But I'll be there for you when the rain starts to fall. I'll be there for you.
Wait lang, naka-record na ba to?
Bakit?
Okay,
Yan, okay na?
yan.
In this episode of Pearson,
Pearson is finally done with their final quarterly examination. Mind you, final. They are now certified graduating students, or not. Are you guys done with all your requirements?
Hindi pa.
As expected, there's no more reason to stay up late and cram. The Netflix binging could finally begin. And thinking about their half-day escapades, oh man, look at those green. But even with these fun finales, there's something strange that they are feeling within. With laughter, friendship, and memories grand, they have walked the halls hand in hand. From nervous freshmen to seniors bold, their stories are now ready to be told.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Until you find your way back home. Don't let me try. Don't let me Until you find your way back home.
Gago ka ba? Leo! Paano masisipay na harap mo?
I'm okay, I'm fine. Good job. Good job.
Signs that tell me if you really want it, don't make me fall in love.
Mi nombre es Roma. ¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Ignacio Rambes ka.
Sombro Negro.
Saraba Daichi.
Character na related sa pasto. 1, 2. Character. 1, 2, 3.
Koji pare. Koji. Mga toge.
Ang mga guro ay nagbibigay ng gabay at patnubay sa bawat isa. What are you waiting for? Go here and ominate chest. So ano pang hihintay mo? Dito at mabuhay ka. I enjoy people. Naging masaya ako. The people are nice here and they are friendly. Ang mga tao dito ay masigla. It is not just a big school. Hindi lang ito malaking school, but it is also a family kind of school. But ito din ay isang pamilya na buo at nagkakaisa. Wala ko sila.
Invento yung translator mo. Nicaragua ka.
So saan ka ba? Waiting for sa kuma.
Ano nang masasabi mo, Aria?
Si Aria.
Pagyan bulol.
Night, Raven.
I can't regret leaving you.
Budoy.
Pre, oh, matalino ng mga scientist, oh. Tara na, mga formula yan. Kasi pag tayo ka pang nalami. Diyan sa poster naman, hindi ka pa nakagalaw. Hindi mo muna nag-exercise. Diyan, slowly but steady. Diyan, tayo muna. Safety first. Diyan, punas mo na pawis. Safety first, safety first. Diyan, baka tumahog ka. Baka masakit na.
Until you find your way back home. I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Until you find your way back home.